Hi there, I'm Elle. In this video, I'll explain how you can easily set up Limit Launcher onto your computer, step by step. If you haven't downloaded Limit Launcher, go to the My Account tab on our website and log in. Click on My Downloads and download Limit Launcher. Once it's finished downloading, open the folder and double-click on the Limit Launcher installer. You will be asked to choose a language, and then click Next. Keep clicking Next until you have the option to click on Finish. Limit Launcher should automatically open. Now comes the most important part of the setup. Make sure that you have read the instructions on the first page, and then agree by ticking the box at the bottom. Click Next to continue. Use the same login details that you used on our website to log into the program. If you are using a social account, such as Facebook or Google, make sure to authorize the login with the Limit Launcher app on your phone. Once logged in, click on the Install Limit Launcher button. You will be asked to name the computer. This name will be shown on the phone app, so that you know which computer you are managing. When you are done naming the computer, click Next. On the last page, click Finish, and you are ready to start using Limit Launcher.